had to bring out my and some matte strip for my old stuff. I have my lap here. So bro, this thing is soft as hell. Now I got mine. Ooh. This brow I like a lot. Sexual bisexual. Ouch! I'm so scared. On to the next one. Two strips, because this first one didn't group any. I don't know why it was doing it. So I switched to this one. So I've not waxed for about 5 weeks. So let's say this is the first hair that came out of my first arm. So there's basically nothing on this strip. Let me show you. It's basically nothing on this strip. So this is what comes out of the first. This is like 5 weeks of ago. So if you are not, if you, I'm sorry, if you cannot stand the size of this, you can just fast forward it. So you can just fast forward it. So this is what it looks like. 5 weeks of egg growth. This strip will not pull out as much hair. I don't know why, but yeah. This is why I'm never going to stop waxing. So it's still remains inside. And I'm still going to use it for another waxing session for my underarm. Just my underarm. I want to wax my bikini line. I can't show you that, but today is for self-care. I'm so excited. I'm pushing it. If I push it further, it is going to work. If I'm waxing. Oh God, I don't know why waxing is so hard to pronounce. But if I push it further, it's going to be very hard. So today is the day for self-care.
1 week later.
I am fine. He's gone. He's gone. I'm fine. Jesus. So for my body care, what I use is this Vaseline cocoa. I don't have any issue with my skin. I just find something that doesn't react to my skin. Just something natural. So days that I feel like my skin is feeling very dry, I use oils. I use this particular oil from Turkey. They're naturals, yes. These are just 2 things I use for my body. Nothing too serious. Let's get into the face. For my face routine, I use for cleansing my face. I use 2 things. This tea tree face wash. I use Dudu Osun on my face. I use Dudu Osun on my body too. But there's a different bath on my body and there's a different bath on my face. Basically, that's what I do. For my cleanser, I bought this particular cleanser, but I have a problem with that. It's not like it doesn't clean my face. It has this toxic smell that comes with it. When I clean my face, I feel like my face is burning. Not like it's burning, like I'm feeling any reaction in my face, but like it's like I don't know how to explain it. I bought this soulmate micellar cleanser. I poured it into my Dr. Rashel, but of course I didn't realize that it was spilling all over the place. So the reason I stopped using this soulmate micellar cleanser was because it cannot take off my makeup. One thing I know micellar water for is that they can take out your makeup, but this doesn't do it. It just feels like water on my face. Like it can take out dirt, but like it doesn't take out all the dirt. The next thing I do, I go in with my beauty formula, vitamin C, facial tonic. Very calm on the skin. Very good. I recommend it. The next product I use is this Roushun vitamin C serum, and when I tell you, this guy is very good when it comes to clearing dark spots, acne. It's doing the job. I'm not saying because I don't have any acne, but like my sister uses it and it's really good. It's different, guys. I definitely recommend. This is my second bottle. The next thing I use is my moisturizer. I have a moisturizer for my morning routine and a moisturizer for my night routine. Though sometimes I use the night one for the morning. I'm sorry, but it is the beauty formula, the brightening vitamin C daily moisturizer I use for my morning routine, and I use the vitamin C Dr. Rashel brightening face cream. And I did not know it was a nice cream before I bought it. Even though I'm still nevertheless, I said I was so use it. So far so good. I've not had any complaints with this moisturizer. Though I'm almost out of this formula. The next thing I do is sunscreen, which is sunscreen is like the old. You have to use it. You need to carry your sunscreen everywhere. Those my sun is like extra. I definitely have to use my sunscreen. I've been using the Dr. Rashel sunscreen, and this sunscreen is so good. It doesn't leave white cast. And then also I use this banana boat sunscreen, and this one is better than this Dr. Rashel. I tell you, it gives like this dewy. Your skin is going to be feeling dewy. I love. It doesn't need white cast and it. I don't know where I can get this again. That's it for my skincare routine and my self-care, blah 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 and everything. So sometimes if I want to go extra, I use facial masks. For my masks, these are the products I use. I have various masks because I sell them. You can check my page out on Instagram, sunkicks.ng. I use some lip mask. I have some eye patches that I use. That's it for my tips. Guys, please let me know if you find this video helpful. I'm going to be putting the total cost of everything on the screen. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's like very important. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next